Are you thinking about the most popular niche ideas for your Redbubble shop and don't know which niche to go for and which niche to go and make designs for? Then this video is exactly for you. Keep on watching this video till the end, because in this video I'm gonna cover the various niche ideas, the most popular niche ideas that you can hop up on the Redbubble, even on the Merch by Amazon or different print on demand websites, and can make a designs and can also earn money from that. So if you want to know, then let's get started with it. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashvika. This channel is particularly made for the artist and creative entrepreneur, talking about the various print on demand websites, online passive income ideas, online art business ideas, and a little bit about the online entrepreneurship. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the niche ideas. So before moving on to, guys, if you really enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon. So whenever I upload more such video, you'll be get notified about it. And also, guys, we have made our mobile application. That's a Globoati mobile application. I'm putting the link of the mobile application description box below, and that application contains more of the print on demand tutorials, more of the tutorials and resources for you to help in your artistic and creative journey. So if you're interested in that, then I'm putting the link of our mobile application description box below, which is completely for free, so you can download it and you can use it completely for free. The link is in the description box below. Now moving on to the main part of the videos, guys. Now this was the main thing that was like creeping on my mind from a very quite long time, because I was thinking which niche ideas to go for, whether we need to go with the trending niche ideas or whether we need to go with the evergreen, which one to go for, which one to make designs for, and whether I'm gonna get sales for that or not. So that was a thing that I was being there while I was starting with my Redbubble shop and starting with it and getting my first sale and all that. So today I decided of making a complete guide for you guys that's completely for free, and in that guide you can get the 10 most popular niche ideas, and in that 10 most popular niche idea you would be having access to 60 sub niche ideas that you can make designs on right now and can get sales for your Redbubble shop or for any print on demand websites. So I have made that free guide, so I'm linking that free guide, a link in the description box below. You can check that guide and you can download it right now, and you can use those niche ideas to make your own print on demand designs and getting sales for that. So I'm linking that guide in the description box below. That's completely for free, so you can get it, downloaded it, and it contains 10 most popular niche ideas, and in that popular niche ideas 60 sub niche ideas on which you can make designs right now and can get sales. So moving on to the today's main part of the video, guys. And so I'm going to share some of the niche ideas in this part of the video, and the rest would be there in the guide. So after watching this complete video, you can download that guide and you can get the rest of the niche ideas from that guide as well. The first niche idea that I have for you is anime. Now anime is the most popular niche idea on the Redbubble, even on the Merch by Amazon, Spreadshirt, Society6 and various print on demand websites are most common and most popular. And in that main niche you can go for the manga, you can go for the chibi, kawaii, and you can go for the geek, comic, and there are many sub niches in that one big anime niche. Now the anime niche is a very big niche, but it's the most popular, and it's kind of like an evergreen niche on the Redbubble. Like if you are making designs and artwork in this niche, of course you need to sub niche, like you need to niche down. After picking up the anime, then you need to again go to the niche down, either pick up the chibi, kawaii or geek, comic, whatever. You need to niche down again and then choose one sub niche which is having like less than 1,000 results on the Redbubble, and then make designs onto it and then choose the keywords and all about it. So you can also go with the one free tool, that is the Merch Titan, which is really amazing free tool. So I'm linking that tool in the description box below. That free tool, you can use it and you can get your 50 slots of the keywords from that Merch Titan free tool. So I'm linking that tool in the description box below, so you can niche down from the anime to sub niche down, so that you are getting the search result less than 1,000 on the Redbubble, and then you can make designs and artwork related to that, and according to it use your title, description and keyword. So that was the first niche idea, which is the anime, and I know that many artists are in their anime, and anime has the second niche idea that I have for you is the birthday. Now the birthday is also most popular niche on the Redbubble, even on the various different print on demand website as well, because birthday is also an evergreen niche. Like we get birthday like every month, maybe in every day, and you need to niche down further because birthday is most popular niche on the Redbubble. So you need to niche down so that you can rank on smaller keyword which is having the search result less than 1,000 on the Redbubble. So you can niche down, you can choose the birthday for the parents, birthday for the sister, brother, birthday for the girlfriend, boyfriend, birthday for the siblings, for the son, for the daughters, for the friends, for the relationship. I mean, like you can niche down so much in the birthday niche, and it's also an evergreen niche. Like you would be getting consistent sales with that, because if you are going with a trending niche, you would be getting sales in those months or in those days only when that particular keyword or that particular niche is trending. Like if you are making any niche ideas in the Christmas, then you would be getting sales in the holiday season itself. But once that season goes away, then you wouldn't be getting much of the sales from that design or that niche as well. So moving on to the third niche idea that I have for you is the travel. Now travel niche is also very popular niche idea. It has many search volume on the Redbubble. Even if you go on the merch by Amazon, Society6, Spreadshirt, TeePublic, or whatever platform you are using, you would be having many stuffs in the travel niche. Travel is a big niche and it's the most popular niche, and it's also like a type of an evergreen niche. Again, it depends, guys. Like some of the months of the year maybe having would be having a vacation or traveling, so you would be having more sales in that month, and in the other months you would be getting less sales because people aren't that moving or they aren't going for vacation, so you won't be getting much of the sales. But it's kind of like an evergreen, but not really. Okay, so the travel niche, you can niche down into that and can pick up a sub niche which is having the less than 1,000 results. So sub niches could be an adventure, any country related design. Like you can go pick up any country like the United States, Canada, or European countries, or Asian countries, Australian countries. Like you can pick up any countries. So that would be one sub niche idea. The second thing would be you can pick up like adventure related ideas, or you can pick up like city related travel niche ideas. Like if you are going somewhere and you are taking pictures of that particular place, then you can make design onto that particular city. So that would be a sub niche. Then also you can pick up the different cultural events, because since we are travel niche, so you can pick up the different cultural events in that particular city or that particular place, and you can make designs related to travel niche. You can also make the designs related to the flight, because since you're traveling via the flight, so you can also make the designs or artwork related to the flight, with the aeroplanes, with the trains, transportation stuff also comes into play, because with the traveling you can also make the design ideas related to the transportation, like the trains, railways, buses, or even the car or road trips. You can also make the design ideas related to road trips, different scenery ideas, different pool ideas. Like you can have so many ideas in just one travel niche. It's one of the most popular niches, and you can just sub niche down, and there would be so many sub niche ideas in this one travel niche idea. So now moving on to the fourth idea that I have for you is cat. Now cat is also the one of the most popular niche ideas onto the Redbubble or even onto the different print on demand websites, because animal is like most popular niche, and then you can niche down into the cat. Cat is also the most popular niche. Then you again need to niche down. It could be a meow, it could be a black cat, or it could be a cat related to breeds of different cats. Or you can also talk about the female cat or the male cat or the baby cat, kitten, kitty. Like you can just niche down into this cat big popular niche, and then pick up any niche idea which is having less than 1,000 results on the Redbubble. So just like I'm telling you, the most popular niches, and then I'm also telling you the sub niche ideas in that most popular niches. So likewise, I'm talking about the cats, so you can niche down, you can pick up like what their habit is, what they eat, like you can make anything related to the cat and you can just niche down. So this is a way to find the trending niches or maybe a popular niches on the Redbubble, and then you can sticker pack of 5 different cat faces in different breeds, or even you can make the sticker pack related to the cat paws in various different colors, like the black cat paws, red one, blue one, pink one, whatever. Like there is so much you can do into this. There is so much creativity. Moving on to the another niche idea that I have for you is beauty. Now beauty is also the most popular niche idea on the Redbubble. Like you again need to niche down. You again need to pick up the sub niche, and it's quite related, and it's also evergreen type of niche because people, like often girls would buy these beauty type of niches like the fashion lifestyle or different clothing style niches, or you can even have the different models wearing different type of dresses, and you can make a sticker pack around it. Like you can have the 5 different models wearing different type of clothing or different type of hairstyle, and you can make a sticker pack on that particular idea. Or even if you want to niche down, that you can pick up the pink color flowers niche idea, because beauty is also related mostly to the feminine color, that is the pink. So you can make a pink color designs or pink color flower ideas like the rosy red or something like that. You can also pick the feminine, female. You can also pick up the different designs ideas in the beauty products. Like you can make a designs related to the beauty products like the eyeliner, or even the different types of beauty products. You can make designs onto that. Like there is so much you can do in this niche idea, because it's also biggest and most popular niche idea. You can sub niche down and you can pick up smaller one. You can pick up the different colors and you can make a sticker pack around it, like the different models wearing the different types of dresses, or having a different type of makeup, or having a different type of hairstyle. You can have for you guys. If you are really enjoying this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, so whenever I upload more such video, you'll be get notified about it. Now moving on to the last idea that I have in this video is about the teacher. Now teacher is also the most popular niche idea. Like even if you go on the merch by Amazon, you would be getting the many teacher shirts or many different types of products. On the Society 6, even on the Spreadshirt, TeePublic, like Redbubble, you would be getting many different products. Niche down and pick up the subcategory or the sub niche idea in that one big. Like you can go with the homeschooling, or children going back to the school, different classes, or the children wearing the uniform of the school, or teaching, professor. And you even can go with the different subjects related design, like the math, the science, the history, and like you can pick up anything in that big niche related to the teacher, and you can just niche down. Like you can pick up the schools, different types of classes, the homeschooling, or even children going back to school, or even the colleges, the universities type of designs, or even the related designs having the different subjects. You can make a sticker pack related to the different subjects in, and then you can have the designs related to different subjects, like one design related to math, another one related to science, then history, then English, then computer, or so on. Like you can make a sticker pack around it, having the different subject ideas in this big niche of the teacher, and you can sub niche down. And there are so many ways in which you can flow through the creativity. You can create the patterns, you can create the sticker bags, and there's like so much, guys, like you can do in this thing. If I'm gonna go on to this niche ideas, then I would be going on, and there would be so many niche ideas that you can hop up. And many of these niche ideas are evergreen, so you would be getting sales all throughout the year. Obviously when there would be the season, or there would be the holiday, or there would be the event coming related to that particular thing, then you would be getting the more sales. But in the other part of the year, when there is no event, there is no holiday, there is no seasons, you would be getting less sales. But then these are the evergreen niches, and I can like talk about it so many times. I can keep talking, and this video would be so long. So guys, these are the niche ideas that I'm talking in this video. And for you want more niche ideas, more sub niche idea, then I have already talked about a free guide. I have made a free guide for you guys on which you can get more different niche ideas, more sub niche idea. I'm putting that free guide link in the description box below, so you can check that out. You can download that free guide and can make designs and artworks related to that niche ideas which I have provided in that free guide, and can like hop on to the Redbubble shop or whatever you want and can get sales for it. So there are many more niche ideas in that free guide, so I'm linking that free guide in the description box below and you can download it. And that's it for today's videos, guys. I hope you really enjoyed it, and see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.